on Earth can count on having running water in their homes.
The water flows from the risers to connecting mains, and finally through service connections into each building.
Cape Town, it could become the first major city in the world to run out of water.
Cape Town, South Africa is inching closer now to day zero.
It's just 92 days away from having to shut off most water taps because of a severe drought.
Assalamualaikum. We are students from Faculty Resource Science and Technology. Nowadays, world is facing a global water crisis and it getting worse. We are at a real inflection point where if not careful enough, we may get out ahead of our ability to manage it. So, our team have managed on planning saving the earth. Let's go.
Water is our most valuable resource, but over 1 billion people currently lack access to clean sources of it, and our demand is growing every year. If we don't act now, the consequences could be catastrophic. By 2025, over 2 billion people could be facing severe water shortages. It's not that there isn't enough water on Earth. Over 2/3 is covered by ocean. But if we look at all the water on the planet, only around 3% is freshwater. At least 90% of that water is used for agriculture.
In Malaysia, water shortage or water crisis become concern in our country. It's reported that unscheduled water cuts by accounting for more than 8,000 nationwide incidents in 2014 and 2015. It is due to burst pipe, non-revenue water, pollution, low water level at dams and more.
Hi Shira!
Hi Ayu!
Hey, I want to tell you about our assignments regarding a water crisis. You know what? In this world, water crisis is one of the big problems that we face every day.
What about we look at our own country, especially those who live in the city, like me? They're having a water disruption since back then, due to increase of populations, pollution and more. Somehow, I think, small picture to take off is better, and we should be more aware to our own country especially.
Yeah, I'm agree with you. Authorities should take more action, or as a student, we can come up some ways and try to approach them to solve the problems.
Yes, this problem maybe can be solved by having any apps or website that can be used to track the water consumption or problems.
Okay, see you later. Bye.
Bye, see you again.
Assalamualaikum. I'm gonna talk about water footprint, calculator, function and explanation. Water footprint help individuals, business and country because they reveal water use patterns from the individual level all the way to national level. They shine a light on the water use in all processes involved in manufacturing and producing goods. They also account for the amount of water contaminated during manufacturing and production. This website helps the person to calculate the water usage in the house. They calculate by asking the daily routine of the person, such as how many you take bath, how often do you laundry, and others. Then they will roughly calculate the water usage of the person through the question. This website also teach how to save water and provide useful tips on how to save water based on their research.
Water Calculator is a helpful website that we can use to calculate our average water usage in each household. However, there are a few improvements that we can make to make it better. Firstly, this website has no apps. So we suggest that an app will be developed from this website so that users can use it more conveniently. As of right now, users will have to go to Google Chrome just to access this website. With an app developed, users can only just download these apps into their phone. Our first improvement that we suggest is by developing an app version of this website to make it more convenient for users to use. Secondly, this water calculator only has the average of water usage of states strictly in United States. Therefore, the improvements here will be adding other countries' average water usage. So everyone in the world can now calculate their water usage based on their country's average. Last but not least, we should add more languages available in the website. This is because not everyone is either fluent in English or even knows how to speak English. For example, our older generations may not know how to use the calculator and therefore needs help. By adding Bahasa Malaysia to this website, our older generation can use it with ease. By adding other languages to this website, other people from parts of the world can all use this website to calculate the average water usage.
Hi, there are few advantages of water footprint calculator. First, it is easy to calculate. Second, it is single unit indicator that allows disaggregation. Next, it is a useful communication tool. It is continuously updated and improved. It makes few assessments easier. For example, it is easy to identify water-related risks within your supply chain. It enhances your brand image. It provides greater understanding of your supply chain. And it improves your environmental credential. Thank you.
Producing this video, we have used several ICT tools. For the recording part, we use Canon PowerShot G7 Mark III, Oppo A37 FW, Xiaomi Mi A1, iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone X, and microphone BM800. In editing process, the software Filmora 9 and HP laptop are used.